Okay, guys, we are back to another day of learning how to use the IPERC system. We are at our dashboard again today, and we're going to learn how to make new agencies or add new agencies into our system. Okay, we click on the button says agencies, and then we can create a new agency institution. Or if you see on top, there's institutions and counselors. You can also create an agency counselor and add this counselor to an institution if you like. Okay, so in institution, we can create a new agency institution, and I'm gonna just use the sample. Okay. In country region, we can just click, for example, we can say USA, and there are different types of agencies that we can choose. Agency large, medium, or individual. We have art training center, language training center, sending university, and sending high school. So the word sending here, meaning that they are sending students to us, whether it's a university or high school, they're sending their students to us. And the agencies and training centers, obviously, they are sending students to us as well, but they are implied because they're agencies and training centers. Okay. And let's just have a large agency. And we'll just say agency one. Okay, how about that? Agency one. And then for notes, we can put anything that you would like. Just some notes. You can say in Columbus. Okay, that's good. In Columbus. Um, and with the has divisions toggle right here, if you click on this, that means that this agency has subdivisions. Okay, has subdivisions. Cool. And there's an address part for the agency. If you would like to fill it in, you can, but the only required information to create an agency institution is the name with a little star. So that means required here. Okay, now we click create. Now this agency is in use and the creator is Mac Bell, which is what I'm logged into right here. Um, and the country region and the creator are both here. You can use the top gray part of this page to filter which institution you want to see. Now we only have one, but you can choose where the agency is. So, for example, if you want to see India, there's no agency for now because it's not added. And if you want to see USA, and that's the USA, and then you can see creator. If you are a salesman, you can only see the agency that you created. But if you are a manager, under the creator part, you will see um, everybody that you manage. If you're a regional manager, you can see everybody that you manage. If you're a sales manager, you can also see everybody that you manage. Um, okay, so now we can see there are three buttons on the right. One is services and information, and the last one is documents. Okay, we can click on the services, and the services just mean what they are doing with us. For example, are they sending us iStar students? Are they sending us ACCP students? Are they sending us RGA students? So we can add a new service and we can see there's a college direct application, ACCP courses partner center. So let's say they are a partner center and we can see the status. You can see proposed or contracted and start date. We can enter, say, okay, we can do that. And then commission notes, you can put anything that you want in there, okay, and create. And now we see the service. And information is just the information that you filled out, and you can always update it as you wish. And documents, you can upload any files in here. Either it's agreement, MOA, MOU, their guide, and other documents you can all upload in here. Okay? And then we can go to counselors. There can be multiple counselors for one institution. We can create a counselor. You will need their email, their full name, and any other information. You can leave it empty if you want. They're all optional. And agency institution, you can choose anything that you created or the people that you manage created. And the salesman, same thing. If you are a salesman, you can only uh, create an agency counselor under your name or none. But if you're a manager, you can create a salesman under the salesman that you manage. Okay, so we can just create an email, say a1@iperc.org. How about that? Perfect. And then their full name could be Counselor 1. Okay, Counselor 1, and all the other ones I'll just leave empty for now. And I can create submit. Or I can create another email. We can say counselor 1 at iperc.org. And then again, let's do counselor 1 right here. Okay, so if we can go back, um, we already created a counselor 1 with our email address. Okay, we created our counselor 1 with our email address. And on the right side, we can say edit, and we can edit any of their information as well. So we can just put it as agency 1. And then you can see the counselors here, agency institution, they have agency 1, country, and creator. Okay, you can also filter those as well. So that's how you create a uh, counselor and institutions under agencies in your dashboard. And the most important part is this services. So make sure you establish any service that this agency does with you with IPERC under this page. And we'll see you next time.